Welcome to YOGATX. My name is Savannah, and today I'll be guiding you through a beginner-friendly relaxation. So you can do this in a chair, you could do it lying down, really anywhere you feel most comfortable so that the body is relaxed and you can place your focus on something else. So we'll start right after you find your comfortable seat or a comfortable position lying down on the floor or on a couch. Closing the eyes here, or if you would prefer to keep the eyes open, taking your gaze down to a single point and letting the sight kind of blur around that single point. So it's a soft focus. And with all mindfulness meditations, you're really just coming into what's already here. As soon as you close the eyes, give yourself some time and space to notice the effect of that, where the attention goes thereafter. It's possible that the attention is pulled towards sounds in your immediate environment, or towards sensations in the body that you might be experiencing. Even if there's a sound or sensation that isn't entirely pleasant or doesn't feel conducive to meditation, it's an invitation to bring you right here, right now. So it's still useful and it can still be part of this practice. And shifting your focus to the subtle breath, already drawing through the nose and pushing out through the nose. Nothing is new here. You've always been breathing. No need to even deepen the breath or lengthen the exhale. Maybe it's a 2-count breath that feels fluid for you. Maybe it's something like a 4-count breath. Choosing to stay here, choosing to have the experience that you're already having. And then letting that go for a moment and bringing your attention to the very top of your head. Having the sense that there's warm oil or even just warm air at the very top of your head. Could you spend a few moments imagining what it would feel like to have warm oil or warm air on the top of your head? And as you inhale, bring yourself close to those ideas of sensation that you might feel. And on the exhalation, feel that warm oil or warm air draw down towards the forehead, releasing any tension that might be living around the forehead or alongside the temples. Really connect to that feeling. And I'll take another breath in. On this next breath out, feeling that warm oil or warm air come down a little further towards the tops of the ears, the sides of the ears, over the eyebrows, over the space between the eyebrows. Breathing in again. Exhaling, that warm oil or warm air draws down a little further towards the neck, towards the sides of your face, the cheek, over the eyes, helping them stay closed and at ease, even around the nose. Breathing in again. Exhaling, feeling that sensation glide down over the lips, over the chin, down towards the base of the neck, running down the back of the neck. The entire face is expressionless, the head floating over the shoulders, coaxed by this ease. Taking another breath in. Exhale, feeling that warm oil or warm air come down the collarbones, over the shoulders, towards the back, the upper spine. Then staying with this, each time you breathe in, call upon the sensation of warm oil. And on the breath out, feeling it glide down, now going towards the arms, over the ribs, over the chest. And breathing out, it goes down the lower arms, over the center of the abdomen, towards the navel. It runs down the waist, the back of the spine. Easy inhale. Exhale to follow. Feeling the sensation of warm oil or warm air come down to the hips, towards the upper thighs. Breathing in. Exhaling, it moves further down the legs, towards the fingers and the palms. Using the breath to guide that warming, easing sensation through the lower legs, the ankles, and the feet. And then staying with that leftover sensation. Still faintly aware of the sound surrounding you and any sensations that the body might be informing you of. But knowing that your attention can also be placed elsewhere. And that's exactly what meditation is choosing where the mind is being directed and then trying to keep it there for an extended period of time. And we'll release this practice as a whole. Pull the palms together, thumbs to the chest. Namaste.